Another vectors question, but this time from AQA Specimen. So lots of waffle on this one, but like my other videos, as soon as you see a ratio, write on the diagram with some fractions. So B to N is getting the 2/5 share, and N to C is getting the 3/5 share. Always getting that on, for me, most important. M is the midpoint, so I'm going to get some halves on there. More for me than for the examiner. A to C is 2A. Normally these things are written on for you, but not in this case. So we can put a little a and a little a on there to give us the 2A. And A to B, that whole distance there, is 3B. So it says work out M to N. Now I'm going to do all my thinking over here so I don't have to scroll down and scroll the whole thing. So M to N, let's just do it. To get from M to N, I'm going to need part of this vector, the C to B. That's what I'm needing. So let's do C to B. C to B is C to A first. That would be negative 2A. Then we go A to B, which is with the 3B. Now I'm going to need C to N. Now C to N is 3/5 of this. 3/5 of negative 2A and 3B. So now we can get the big picture going. So if we want to travel from M to N, we're going to first of all go just a little a. That's the easy part of the journey. But then we're now going to need C to N. So let's now bring in this, expanding the bracket as we go. So it's going to be negative 6/5 of A, and times that part out with the B, it's going to be positive 9/5. Getting ahead of myself. 9/5 of B. Simplest form required. So negative 1/5 of A and 9/5 of B. And obviously you can take the 5th out. Negative A and 9B. Sorry for writing in the margin, but we get the gist. Now I won't scroll down to part B, but part B is a 1 marker just asking you to state why MN and AB are not parallel. And the idea is, however you choose to word it, the fact is A to B only involves vector B. So the fact that any bit of A has been introduced, all right, so you can go down that route, any A has meant it's moved away from the line, but you can also say something on the lines of that vector AB is not a multiple, because in order to be parallel, it must be a multiple or a fraction of it. So I hope that helps, hope that clears up. Specimen paper from AQA, another vectors question ticked off. Thanks for watching.